my name is Miranda and I'm an intensive care unit nurse in Charlotte. I know that everybody's first priority right now is to stay safe and healthy, but it's important that we still take time to do the things that we love. For me, one of those things is baking. So today I'm practicing social distancing with my boyfriend and our state magazine cinematographer, Dillon. We're here in our kitchen. We're gonna make our state's favorite chocolate cream cheese pound cake with royal icing.